Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I know, why in Kannada? Because today's video is going to be a quick tour of IKEA store in Bengaluru. This store is easily accessible by metro, which is attached directly from Nagasandra platform to IKEA store. IKEA is a homemaker for all who wants to design their own houses in budget or with the luxury. As soon as you enter to the level 1, there is a kids play area and shopping area. Even there is a cafe available if you want. But we will come back later on this floor. The store opening hours from 10 am to 10 pm and even they have food plaza in showroom itself. Reach to the second floor by using escalator or by using lift. You will get all designed and affordable home furnishing items over here. Take a picture of this map so it will be easy to guide you while shopping, otherwise might get lost. As you enter first, you can see differently styled and designed living room setups, and even everything which is displayed to decor has a price tag, and 99% you will get it in IKEA itself. Things which you want from this setup, you can take a picture of it and go to level 1 to purchase. That's the reason why you should visit a level 1 later. There is a different area for living room storages and you will also get a lot of options over here for that. Next section is a dining area which you can explore as per your requirement. Then kitchen setups are also available over here and there are people who can guide you to design your new kitchen. Next, you reach to the workspace area. You can set up your office by buying over here. And then you enter to the bedroom area with beds, blankets and covers. Same as a bedroom section, there is a kids section over here. You can get toys organizers, funky chairs, bunk beds, etc. etc. And then you come back to the level 1. Here you can have everything you need for kitchens and dining area. Then you can select napkins, cushions, covers, bed sheets, etc. from textile section. Lighting section was my favorite section because there are endless options available which are very beautiful and also affordable. There are some new and unique items are available. Wall decorations and home decoration items with wide variety of artificial plants and even pots are there on level 1. Finally, you reach to the self-serve furniture area followed by the billing section. After billing section, you can grab something from Swedish Bistro Cafe, and also on level 2 there is a food available. After so much of shopping, you can have a bite over there. IKEA store is too huge, so there are a lot of chances you will get tired, and that's the reason you should plan a day before you come. But if you are just shopping, then go to the level 1 and do direct shopping within 1 to 2 hours. So this tour ends over here and I hope you guys got some idea before visiting IKEA. Still there is a lot to talk about this visit. Definitely I will going to give you some honest reviews in my upcoming short. So please do watch them before purchasing.